Imagine you have a database with multiple schemas, and you need to hide some data from the other schemas while still allowing limited access. The problem here lies in making the data accessible only through views and stored routines, but not directly through the tables themselves. The solution to this problem involves granting permissions to procedures within a schema. By using the command grant execute on test *to root at localhost, you can grant access to all procedures within a specific schema. This allows users to execute those procedures and access the data indirectly. However, when trying to use the same command with a wildcard for a specific procedure name, such as grant execute on procedure test *to root at localhost, MySQL throws an error. This indicates that wildcards cannot be used with the procedure name in this context. To grant access to a specific procedure by name, you can use the command grant execute on procedure test.foo to root at localhost. This grants execution privileges to a particular procedure within the schema, allowing users to interact with the data as intended. In summary, by carefully assigning permissions to procedures within the schema, you can control access to the data and ensure that it remains secure. With the right setup, users can interact with the data through views and stored routines without direct access to the underlying tables. And with that, we wrap up this explanation. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any database jokes you may have. See you next time.